As a mom of 3 kids, coffee has become my lifeline. How about you?
Well, I am getting into it and I never ever used to drink coffee, but clearly this motherhood thing is getting us tired. Today we are delving right in there and trying out a machine that has come highly recommended.
Yes.
It's like the new baby in the house.
It's called the Breville Bambino Plus. What we want to do here is allude to the fact that the more coffee we drink, the more snobby you get, right? Especially when you depend on it.
Yes.
And we want to find a coffee maker that's gourmet, but really easy to use.
Exactly. Easy to clean, easy to use, and obviously making delicious coffee. So stick with us today as we try this little Bambino Plus out, and we'll let you know if it gets the Momjo stamp of approval.
Let's make some lattes.
Let's do it. If you're new to our channel, why not subscribe? And if you're enjoying this video already, give us a thumbs up.
So we are all set up. We got everything we need. We actually already kind of pre-assembled the Bambino, just to get us started a little faster. But the things we do need to put in still are the drip tray.
The drip tray to catch all the
drippy stuff. So we're gonna bring the bottom of it right in there. We're gonna slide it in nice and tight.
Oh, that was easy.
Now we need the top section. Beautiful, that was easy. And here is the water container. It actually is massive, which means that you don't have to refill it that often.
Yes, your max amount can go all the way up to the top.
Wow, that's a lot of coffee. So we put it up about 3/4. And I think we're ready for coffee.
That quick?
That was pretty easy,
okay,
right?
I'm ready.
We got the water in, we got the drip tray. Now we have to fill the coffee. I don't know what the expressions are.
What is that? That thing that I used to be a barista after university. Not for very long, and I never even drank coffee, but I loved the feeling of getting that
it's
up and
nice
tight.
and heavy, right?
Yes.
It's a beautiful feeling.
So how much do we put?
It actually brings 2 options. It brings options for 1 cup of coffee and 2 cups of coffee.
That's very kind.
Because we both truly need the energy today, we're gonna go for the larger one.
There we go. So we're gonna pop that in, and we're gonna fill it up.
Yeah.
Right? Pop some product. Oh, I
We have the coffee shop at home. That's what I love about this.
How much do I put?
You just fill it.
Fill it?
Yeah. Take this, and we have to press it.
Oh yes, yes, I can do
press
that.
it hard. That's
Yes.
called
The press.
Puck.
I don't know, but it's very, very awesome. There we go.
Beautiful, nice and smooth. Okay.
We're not experts at the terminology, but we are experts at staying awake for our children.
Yes. Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. So it says insert here and lock right there.
Oh, there, she got it.
I'm just moving the whole machine, but. All right, so we're gonna use these babies for pouring the coffee in. Because the machine itself is compact, we can't really put very tall latte glasses in it. So we're gonna pour the coffee in here, and then we're gonna pour it into the latte cup. Okay, so to turn it on, you just have to press a button. I think it's the 1 or 2 cup, any of the buttons.
We're doing the 2 cups, right?
Yeah.
So there we go. Oh, the lights are on.
Something's happening. So now we're gonna select 2 cups.
Oh, I didn't do that. There we go. Oh, and now?
I can hear it. Do you hear it coming? I like the roar. I like the...
It's like, and now it's gonna start. There it goes.
There we go. It's expressing the coffee. I think that is the right term.
Now the question is, how quickly do you have to like do a swap for the second? Oh, there it goes.
So that was 1 beautiful measure, and now we're gonna press it again.
I hope it fits.
And we're gonna try another little espresso.
Ooh. I'm gonna see how it goes.
That's nice.
Oh, it's perfect.
Look at it go. Oh! It dripped out of the cup.
There we go.
That's our mistake.
I don't know how people drink just plain espresso. Do you ever?
I have when I'm severely sleep deprived and I need that shot of energy, I will go for a real, just straight up espresso.
Look at that.
So that's beautiful. That's 1 shot right there.
Cheers.
And now we want milk. So we are gonna try foaming our milk.
Okay. Do you have a preference?
I like regular milk.
Okay.
You're into the hippie stuff.
Sure, why not? I don't know how much milk.
There's a line there. There's the minimum and maximum.
There's the
It
first
says
one.
you have to do it in between the 2.
I put it between the 2.
Perfect.
Yes.
So first of all, it has different settings right here. One of them is the temperature. Okay, you can select hot, cooler or ideal temperature. And the first one is definitely the cooler one. Middle is ideal. Third is hot. I think we should do ideal.
I was going to say ideal sounds ideal.
It sounds ideal. That's perfect. And then for the level of froth,
it's a no-brainer.
foamy.
It's
As
like
foamy as it gets.
max.
Give me all the foam.
I would bathe in froth if I could.
Agreed. Totally agreed. So we put the third one there as well. And now we're gonna see if we can run some steam. And that's how we wash it.
Look at
that. Woo, steamy. And now we stop it like this.
Amazing. It's really easy to use.
Super easy to use. And then we lift it up like this with this beautiful
Take out the wash
handle.
water.
We take out the wash water. I think we're ready to froth.
I think we are ready to froth.
We're ready for the bubbles.
I don't know why, but I'm super excited about this part. Okay. So we have to put the cup on the little sensor, the little black sensor.
Oh, there we go. That's technology. Oh, it's frothing.
And that little sensor senses what you were saying is the heat of the actual jug.
Yes, because it's metal, so it's very
it's
very
actually
sensitive.
frothing.
And it stops when it's ready. I think that's fantastic. Because most of the coffee makers I've tried before, you need to know when the foam is done.
Interesting.
So when it's hot enough.
Well, it's just rising and rising and rising. It's doing good.
Very smart little nifty device. Just knows when to stop. Clean up.
I'll do it like
spout.
profesh.
Oh, it's so nice and foamy.
Let's get that clean.
All right, girl, pass me your cup.
Okay, so would you like it in a glass mug or a regular mug?
Definitely a glass mug.
There she goes.
So we're gonna pour this in.
Get some froth milk.
Some froth in there. It's not too hot. It's like I mean I'm not burning as
you put it in.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. I'm giving the commentary.
Of course, I had to mess up.
Yes,
I mean,
that's
story
great.
of my life.
And the story of my life that I come and
Have to
clean
clean
it
up
up.
always. All right, so that's nice.
Okay, can I pour it in?
Yes, pour in.
I don't know if I can make like a special heart or something.
Oh no.
Oh, crap. Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at
Look at
that.
that.
See?
There we
Check
go.
out this gorgeous
Oh, I
latte.
like the way that it's like just sitting there like a
Right.
cloud.
Let's make yours now.
Okay, let's do it.
Want to put the coffee in first? Sure.
Oh, I'm putting the
Oh,
coffee
we're
in.
doing almond milk. That's true for you. Okay.
That's the sound.
That's the sound we want to hear. It's very smart. I always feel like this like more high-end coffee machines are not too smart. They require a lot of like thought
Yes.
and a lot of the process of it. And I feel like this,
quite straightforward.
yeah, this little one gets it done.
The biggest question is going to be how quick and easy this is to clean.
We're going to look into that
Right.
for sure. I also love the fact that it doesn't take up too much counter space. Nothing drives me crazier than having a massive coffee machine on my counter. I mean, like, where do I cook? Where do I get my stuff done?
Yeah.
So this guy doesn't take up too much space, which is lovely, and it looks beautiful too.
I like
The aesthetics are so nice,
Very
right?
clean and neat. I'm going to do it the other way around, like this. And I'm going to get some froth on the top. Let's see how it goes. I like
The
it all
froth
mixed.
on the top.
You see, so it does froth less, but it still froths a bit. See?
These are beautiful lattes with the Breville Bambino Plus. We have regular milk and
Almond milk.
I'm dying to drink my coffee.
I know, me too.
But we need to clean up, right?
Always.
So for the tray, let's remove it. Hoping not to make a mess.
You just pull it out.
Pull it
Beautiful. Okay. And you pull that out.
And there's
Really?
the drip
And you
pocket
just
here.
rinse that?
You just give it a quick rinse.
Okay.
Beautiful.
You know, and then you just wipe with a simple microfiber cloth.
Give that spout a little shine.
We literally didn't even put any soap on this.
No,
We
no
just-
chemicals at all.
Just put a microfiber and wipe it down. Nice.
Nice and shiny.
There we go.
It looks amazing in the kitchen. I love that.
I have a surprise.
No.
Well, what do moms?
You know how much I love surprises.
What do moms like more than coffee?
Almost as much as coffee. Bread.
Yes.
For sure. Carbs.
With chocolate inside. Chocolate croissant.
I feel like before we finish evaluating this coffee maker, we need to try the coffee.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Didn't cheers me.
Cheers.
That's a virtual cheers.
Very creamy.
Very smooth.
Mine's creamy and smooth and
Very smooth.
You know what I like about mine? And this might have to do with the carton of beans that we used as well, is that it's not too strong.
No.
It's giving you the right amount. Really nice. What would you give this out of 10 from Momjo stamp of approval?
I would give it an 8. Okay, ease of use, fantastic.
Yes.
Very intuitive.
Agreed.
I love the way that it's automatic, right? It just gets things done without you having to overthink it. I love the aesthetics, right?
Yeah.
I think that I don't have enough height for the kind of mug that I use, and that's one of the things I would love to see improved. But otherwise, I mean, fantastic, lots of water capacity, great nifty little coffee maker.
Absolutely, and the cleanliness factor is a huge plus for us. Super easy to clean for these busy mamas.
So thank you, Breville, for letting us try this wonderful product. We are gonna drink our coffee now.
This is the perfect day.
And eat some croissants. And if you are new to our channel, please remember to subscribe, press that button right now, and follow us on social media at Finding Momjo.
And if you've got any questions, comments, or anything you want to say, we'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment in the comment section below.
See you next time.
Bye.